Hi guys, I'm Chido-Fajny and welcome to a new video. Today I will teach you how to make a really cool thing. I will teach you how to make cytrynówka. Cytrynówka is basically a homemade vodka and the taste is like lemon or lime. Okay, so what you need first, for 3 liters of cytrynówka, which is basically enough for a small party with your friends or family, you will need 1 liter of spiritus. Spiritus is, you can get it in basically any Polish supermarket and it has 95% alcohol. Also, so for 3 liters you also need 1 liter of honey, that basically you can get it anywhere. And of course, you will need 1 kilo of lemons or lime. You can get like these yellow ones, which are like really common in Poland. Or if you're really rich in Poland, you can get the green ones. This is the ones that we use in Mexico. But in Poland, it seems that they are made of gold because they are super expensive, more or less, I don't know, one zloty 50 cents per lemon. So, nope, we're going for the yellow one. So, let's start. Okay, so first step, guys, you need to wash the lemons like really carefully, otherwise you will get sick. So now we massage the citrina. So we give them massage, strong, and this. So now we cut in half our lemon. Put it there with all the lemon. So now we need to squeeze this lemon. If you have this machine, it will be really useful enough. If not, you will need to do it by hand and you will take a lot of time. After you pour the lemon juice in a big container, you need now to pour the spiritus. So you need to put basically all of the bottles you have and you continue like that. Okay guys, so now we need to pour the honey. So remember, for 3 liters of cytrynówka you need 1 liter of honey, 1 liter of spiritus and 1 liter of lemon juice or lime juice, as you prefer. And those basically. Okay guys, so after you put all the ingredients, you have to mix it all together and just try it. If it's good for you, if it's a little bit strong still, just add more honey, more lemon, or a little bit of water. Basically that's it. So guys, when the taste is ready for the cytrynówka, you have to just pour it in some bottles or big recipient, and it has to rest like 2 weeks in order the flavor is going to be super great. Okay, and remember guys, if life gives you lemon, make cytrynówka. See you to the next video.